Hi, my name is Xinch. I'm an entrepreneur, a strategic marketing advisor, and right now I am also the digital marketing instructor at Next Academy. Digital marketing is a really large field with many different components. The landscape is very vast and varied. I've developed a way to tie in all these different components, tools, and channels and utilize them in creating this cohesive marketing strategy. Now, this strategy has been used across a wide variety of businesses and industries to helping them achieve their individual marketing goals. And these goals can vary from increasing revenue and conversions to decreasing customer acquisition costs or even increasing foot traffic. You see, marketing to me is equal parts creative and equal parts analytical. Without strong understanding on data and numbers, you won't be able to effectively tell if your campaign is working. But without creativity, you won't be able to get out of tough marketing challenges or figure new ways around ever-evolving landscape. Now, if you don't feel you're sufficiently creative or sufficiently analytical, I don't want you to worry. You'll be given plenty of opportunities using structured exercises to develop all of these skills. At the end of the day, creativity and analytical skills can be learned. You see, marketing is a huge component of every business, and a strong understanding of it will give you a really strong foundation in your career as a digital marketer. We've had students from a wide variety of backgrounds and age ranges from 18 to 45. And many of these guys have gone on to do some really awesome things. Some have actively pursued careers in digital marketing. Others have started their own businesses and are business owner students. Some of them have actually used the skills and frameworks they've learned during this course to double their revenue. You see, we've got an entire community of students, graduates, and marketers here, just waiting to help guide you throughout your marketing journey. So, welcome.